Hi, this is Nicola from Reflexology, and today I'm going to give you some hints on how you can work your own hands to help with the symptoms of hay fever. So what we're going to look at today, we're going to focus on the sinuses, which is looking at each of the fingers. We're going to look at the eyes, which comes under the base of the first two fingers, and the nose, which is at the side of the thumb. And then we're going to look at the chest area. So to do this, you'll need a little bit of cream to rub into your hands to slide easier. So what we're going to do, we're going to start on the little finger and work the sinuses. So we're doing each side of the finger, and we're going to drag along there. And then you're going to do the top and the bottom. And we're going to do that on each one. So we're going along the sides of the fingers, and then we're covering the tops and the bottom of the finger. And we're going to do that on each one. You might find that if you have hay fever, that these areas are quite tender. You might also find that they're quite tight and feel congested. So if they do, then work these more than 3 times. Work them gently, covering the top and the bottom of each hand. Started on the right hand. If it is a bit more congested, you might just want to kind of work that area and work it, keep pushing it up to the top, and do a little bit of rotation, circular movements on that particular area. This is one that if you do suffer with hay fever, if you can do this every day, it will be much more effective, even if you've not got the symptoms. So it's one that you can do on a regular basis. We're going to stick with our right hand for now. So once we've worked the sinuses, we're going to do the eyes. So this is underneath the 2 bigger fingers, and it's just working that base of the finger. 2, 3 on each one. Again, if it is tender, then you might just want to do it more gently, but work it for a little bit longer. Then we've got the nose, which is on the outside of the thumb. So with both fingers, you might just want to start at the top and gently, you can do a bit of a squeeze, or you can just gently do rotations, covering all that top bit at the side of the thumb. You might keep one finger still, go up and down. So that's on our right hand. We're going to do the same on the left hand. So to the outside of the fingers, and then covering the top and the bottom. And this tends to feel quite crunchy or congested if you have got hay fever. If you can do 5-10 minutes of this every day, really will try and help reduce those symptoms. So work on those bits where you feel it a little bit more congested or tender. So we're covering all of our fingers. It doesn't matter whether you start on the top or the sides. It really doesn't matter. And then we're going to work the eyes. So the first 2 fingers, just right at the base of the finger where it joins with the hand. And do that 3 times. And do little circles. And then the nose, so that's the side of the thumb, the outside of the thumb. You can do both sides, gently working it down, give it a bit of a squeeze, or just do it with one finger going through the outside. And then we're going to go back to the chest area. So the chest area, we're going to just slide 1, 2, 3 in between the bones of each of the hand. And then we're going to do the diaphragm, which is underneath the balls of the hands, and the line that runs under the hands. I'm going to do each of these 3 times, and then we're going to do the same on our left hand. So in between the fingers on the balls of the hand, just working the lungs, just help with that breathing. And then onto the diaphragm line. Just really stretch this out. Think about deep breathing as you do this. So there are some hints on how you can help with hay fever. If you've got any questions, please message me. Thank you. Bye.